Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is daily update for Mullen stock, and I got some good catalysts for the stock today that I want to share with you guys. And before I do that, I released a video yesterday. The title of the video was the possibility of a short squeeze for Mullen stock, and I gave you all the details which you need to know about the short squeeze. And also I said there that I'm bearish for the stock for this week, and the reason I'm bearish on the stock for this week is because we already had a good run up to 16 cents. At that point, there's no other catalyst that sort of came out that would push the stock very much higher than what it was, right? So at that point, profit taking is happening. The warrants that were exercised, that's what's going on. Profit taking is happening right now. And this is exactly what's happening today with the stock. It came down to 11 cents. And I'm anticipating the stock to go down to 9 cents eventually. And then, I don't know, I'm still feeling that stock might come down to 8 cents. This is also a demand level, but this is not really a heavy demand level. There's a lot of sellers are sitting here as well. And this is exactly what happened. Seller one. Buyers around this area now. He got to 11 cents and some buyers came and pushed the price up, but it's consolidating right here. So now let's talk about the good news that is coming out for the stock. And this is, again, not a major catalyst that will push the stock up to 22 cents or 23 cents, but this is a good initiative. I think this is where the stock is moving in the right direction, and we're going to go through the cash flow as well after this news, right? What it says here: LAX 60-day pilot program with Menzies prove a successful strong vehicle usage of 100% uptime. So basically, Menzies were using this vehicle, Cargo 1 van, Class 1 EV, for 60 days. Let's look at some of the highlights. It says 2 Class 1 EV vans were piloted at LAX Airport and powered utilizing loop-installed Level 2 chargers. Vans were utilized for transporting both equipment and crew throughout the pilot program. Over 15,000 miles were driven over the course of pilot at LAX. So basically drove 1,500 miles, which is a good sign that they're moving in the right direction. Consistent performance with 100% uptime and zero maintenance issues. That's awesome. Estimated cost saving of 66% in electrical versus their gas equivalent. This is also a good thing. So they're saving 66% more if they were to use a gas equivalent vehicle, right? Estimated 83% reduction in carbon dioxide emission for EV vans compared to gas. So basically, these are good highlights, right? But they're not amazing catalyst that will push the stock to, as I said, 21 cents or 22 cents. But this is moving in the right direction. What do they need right now is Mullen need cash, okay? This is their cash flow. Operating cash flow is negative 84 million. Even though it says 84,000, you got to times this with 1,000, so it's 84 million. This is their operating cash flow, which means that every year they need about $84 million to run their operations, all right? And negative means they're not making any money, so they're putting money from their pocket. Investing cash flow is 130 million. This is, again, they purchased ELMS, which the cargo van is coming from. So this is where the money went for that. And financing cash flow is 322 million. This is, again, from the warrants and the stocks. They're collected 322 million. Minus all this with the 322, you got an end position of 107 million. So they're currently sitting at about 107 million. Mullen needs cash, so they would have to deliver those 6,000 vans to get that $260 million, which will help them run the company for another 2 years or so. Right now, I believe they are good for one more year, like this year, right? If they don't come about with that money, hopefully the whatever 7 vans they delivered, and after the test run, they're able to deliver more and get more cash in. If they don't have enough cash, we have a problem, and this is why I'm making daily videos to keep you guys posted. So we need more cash to run the company. Right now, they're sitting at about 107 million, which is almost like even out, like considering other expenses, they might just go even out with this cash this year. So they definitely need to deliver those vehicles this year to be able to sustain next year's growth. So this is what it is right now. Again, as I said, I'm feeling the stock is going down to 10 cents, 9 cents, and maybe 8 cents at that point. And then maybe, I'll also try to load up on that at that point, because I do feel the stock is going to hover between, 8 cents and maybe 16 cents, because we already seen the 16 cents is the max we could get with the little bit of a push. So seems like a good idea to load up on when we are on like 9 cents and 8 cents. Of course, not a financial advice. I'll speak for myself. Hope you guys are taking notes, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.